Hi guys, this is Vikas from PowerPoint World and I welcome you all guys in my YouTube channel. So this is our tutorial number 177 and in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to create a 4-step infographics like this in just PowerPoint. You can get the free download link of this PPT inside the description box, just below the description box guys. So click on that after watching this video and download this PPT and use it in your project guys. Okay. I would like to request you, if you are new on this channel or watching this video for the first time, then please do subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we upload a new video on this channel. Okay. Also share the video to your friends and family so that they can also get benefited from this kind of stuffs guys, and also learn how to create this type of PowerPoint stuffs in just simple steps. So without wasting any further time guys, let's start creating. So click on the insert option and choose a blank slide over here. Now we'll copy these color samples from the previous slide by pressing Ctrl C and paste it over here by pressing Ctrl V on the keyboard. Okay, we'll start creating this. Before creating this, I'm going to show you guys how I have create the elements and group these together to create a effect like that. Okay, so I'm going to ungroup the element. I will ungroup it one more time. Now you can see this is what we have. So if I will ungroup this also one more time, then you can see we have this shadow effect just behind this, and this is the shape we have. So I'm going to click on insert option over here. Inside the insert option you can see the shape option. Just click on that and choose a rounded rectangle option from here. Press Ctrl Shift together and drag a rounded rectangle like this. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I will drag it to the left wall. After this, what I'm going to do, I'll just right click over here. First we have to change the background, so I'm going to format the background and choose a gradient fill option from here. It will automatically fetch the color from the previous background because I have recently used these colors in the previous slides. Okay, so if you don't have the automatic fetch, if you don't get these colors, so you can use these colors from the color sample over here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I will fill this particular shape with the different colors. So I'm going to click on format shape option, and inside the format shape pane, as you can see here at the right side, I will choose the gradient fill option. Okay, now let me copy this shape and paste it over for the reference guys. Okay, I have to make this shape something bigger like this much and make it something rounded like this much guys. Okay, so now we have to rotate this shape by 45 degree. So to do that, I'm going to click on arrange option, just click on rotate option and choose more rotation option over here, and now you have to fit 45 degree over here. Now your shape will be rotated to 45 degree. Now we want a dark shade over here on the left side and the lighter shade over the right side. So I'm going to change the angle. First I will click on this shape and I will change the angle, like I'm going to increase it like something this much, and for the lighter shade what I'm going to use, I will use the white color like this. Okay, and now what I'm going to do, I will increase the darker side something like this much. Okay, now click on the outline option and choose the width to something 3 pt, and now I will fill this outline with the different colors. Means I'm going to set a gradient outline of this shape. So to do that, I'm going to choose the line option here. Inside this line option, you can choose gradient line option. And now what I'm going to do, I will delete all these extra handle from here and keep only 2 handles. For the left handle, what I'm going to use, for the left handle I will use this color. and for the right handle I'm going to use the white color. Now you can see we have created a shape like this. Okay, so now I just want to make some changes in the outline gradient. So to do that, I'm going to change the angle, like I'm going to make it something this much. Now it's fine. It's okay. Now we're done with this shape. Now what we have to do? We just have to create a shadow effect like this. As you can see here, I have created a shadow effect like this. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I will click on insert option. Just click on the isosceles triangle option over here and drag an isosceles triangle like this. Rotate it to 90 degree like this and place it over here. Now it's fine. Just remove its outline, and under the effect option you can choose soft edges option over here and choose 25 points. After choosing this, I'm going to make it something this much, 21, and for this I'm going to use a color for shadow. So I'm going to use this particular color. Press Ctrl and Shift together and drag it outward to make it bigger. Drag it something to this much to make it bigger, and just right click over here and send it to back. Now you just have to slide it to the right to give an effect like this. Okay, so now we are ready with this shape. So I'm going to select all these shapes and press Ctrl G to make a single group, guys. Okay, now after this, what I'm going to use, I will create this circle. So to create this circle, I will just choose an oval option under the shape, press Ctrl and Shift together and drag it outward to make an oval like this. Just remove its outline and fill it with a different gradients color. So for the left side, I'm going to use this pink color, and for the right side, I'm going to use the same color but the lighter version of the same color. So I'm going to choose more color option and drag it outward to make this lighter, like I'm going to use this particular color. And for the right side, I'm going to use some darker color of pink version. I'm going to use this color. Okay, now I will duplicate this shape by pressing Ctrl D, press Ctrl and Shift together and drag it something like this and fill it with the white color. Just right click over here and send it to back. Now adjust this. Let me zoom in, guys, so that we can see the shape clearly. Now put this shape over here. Just zoom out and let me take the reference of the previous shape. Okay, now we have to fill it with the gradient option. So I'm going to choose a gradient option, and for the left handle I'm going to use white color. For the right handle, the color will be the same. Okay, so I'm going to press Ctrl G after selecting all these two circles to make a single group, guys. Okay, now we'll put it over here. Now the shape is ready. Now what we have to do, we have to duplicate this shape 4 times. As you can see, we have to duplicate this shape 4 times. So this is the first time I have duplicated it. Press Ctrl D to duplicate it one more time. Before doing this, I'm going to set it over here. Press Ctrl D to duplicate one more time and place it over here, and place this oval over here and bring it to the front like this. And now it's time to put these icons as well as this text. So I'm going to copy this text by pressing Ctrl C and put it over here by pressing Ctrl V. Make a group like this by pressing Ctrl G. Make a duplicate copy and place it over here. Again make a duplicate copy and place it over here. And finally one more time duplicate this and place it over here. Now it's time to fill these shapes with the different icons. So I'm going to copy these icons from the previous slide and paste it over here by pressing Ctrl V. So this is how you can create this shape, guys. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye, and thank you very much for watching the video, guys.